Hello, my name is Mihran, and today I will speak about my Canvas code by which I made bouncing boxes. Uh, let's first understand that I declared Canvas tag with an ID Canvas and gave width and height to it, 700 and 500. Then I declared let canvas. I declared a variable which is equal to document dot get element by ID, which is canvas. And then I mentioned that I want to be it instead of 3 dimensions, I want it to have 2 dimensions. So I want my canvas to work in a 2-dimensional way. And then I declared a variable called num points, which is equal to 10, and gave a constant points which is equal to an empty array. And then I used for loop, and I used some I used objects, and I have x, y, width, height, x delta, y delta, and color. And then I used function. I gave draw as a name, and this means that I want to after animation I want the previous picture to be cleared from the screen, and I used here for each gave function to it with an argument point, and used this kind of syntax, which is fill styled with color and fill rect. So I want to draw rectangular with the position x, y, and with the given width and height. And then I used if statement, if point that x plus point that width is bigger or equal than canvas width, or if point that x is smaller than 0, I want my x delta to be equal to x delta multiplied with -1 in order my animation to go from the opposite direction. And the same story goes here about y. And then I said that point.x is equal to point.x plus point.delta, and the same story about point.y. Then I used a function. I called my draw function, and then I used set timeouts with an argument animate and 20, and this gives time to my animation. I called my function, and then I worked with color. Function get random color, and I have random color here. The function random color, and I used var letters, which is equal to this, and var color, which is equal to this. And again for loop, I want random the browser to give me random color every time after every refresh. So I used this math floor math random multiplied with 10, and then I returned color. This is my code about canvas. Now let's see it in our browser. Let's refresh. Here is my bouncing boxes every time, and I may refresh and you may see that there are other colors also. After going up, down, right and left, they change their directions, they change their movements, so the code is working. Thank you very much for attention. See you soon in the next class.